Somewhere right now, a compressor is running itself to death, a tank is quietly overfilling, and a generator did not start, and nobody will know until morning. Remote monitoring exists so that sentence stops being true. The concept is simple. Instrument the equipment, move the data somewhere useful, and let software watch it every second. Because humans check things daily, and failures develop hourly. What to instrument first? The parameters that predict failure: vibration and temperature on rotating equipment, pressure differentials across filters, runtime hours, and level on anything that can overflow. The data path is standard now. Sensors into a small RTU, or PLC, out over cellular using MQTT, into a cloud platform, encrypted the whole way. Hardware per site, low thousands. Setup, an afternoon. Live dashboards are the visible payoff. Every asset, every site, one screen. But they are actually the least valuable layer. Nobody stares at dashboards at 3 a.m. The alarms are the real product. Threshold crossed. SMS in 30 seconds. Escalation if unacknowledged. The system stares at the dashboard so nobody has to. Then the layer people underestimate. History. 6 months of trend data turns maintenance from calendar-based to condition-based. You service the compressor when its discharge temperature drifts, not when the schedule guesses. Trend data also settles arguments. When the pump failed, was it sudden or a 3-week decline someone could have caught? The historian knows. Warranty claims, insurance, root cause, all easier with records. The economics are almost unfair. One avoided compressor rebuild, one caught overflow, or the truck rolls saved in a quarter typically pay for the monitoring of an entire fleet of sites. And the same platform generalizes: wellheads, tank batteries, lift stations, generators, plants. Same sensors to cloud pattern, same alarms, same historian. Merobix runs this pattern for all of it. Per site priced, live in days. Equipment fails on its own schedule. Monitoring is how you stop letting it choose the most expensive possible moment. If this saved you a Google search, subscribe. We publish practical SCADA and oil and gas automation explainers every week. No fluff.